Hey guys, Derek from Outset. I'm here to talk about my new favorite trivia game. Guesstimation is new from Outset. Has this ever happened to you? It's game night. You go over to your friend's house and he's got a brand new trivia game to play. Except he knows all the answers, and so you're sitting there trying to figure out what movie Bill Murray starred in since 1980. Guesstimation is an awesome trivia game where you don't need to know the right answer. In fact, you can guess. All of the questions are number-based. Let's take a closer look. So in Guesstimation, there are 6 categories. Numbers in nature, time traveler, what year was that, no way, dollars and cents, world records. A member of the group is going to be the question reader, and they're going to roll the dice. So I have rolled on blue, time traveler. The pet rock was a short-lived fad in 1975. How many units were sold?
1 million.
500,000. The answer is 1.5 million. And whoever got closest to that answer would win this card. The first player to get 12 cards wins the game. This can be played in groups or it can be played in individuals. You need at least 3 people to play Guesstimation. Another thing I love about the game is that there's no content that is explicit. You might have a child scratching their head asking what a pet rock is, but there's nothing in there that's going to prevent ages 10 plus playing with mom, dad, grandma, or grandpa. Pick up Guesstimation today.